Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 8. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm adjoining figure and cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? Let us find. Suppose it is given that radius of the cord. This radius is given as 4 centimeter, right? 4 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the pipe, radius, radius, radius of circular pipe, radius of circular, radius of circular pipe, radius of circular pipe is equal to, this is the radius, that is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, right? This is 4 centimeter. Therefore, wrapping cord around the circular pipe, wrapping cord, wrapping, wrapping cord, wrapping cord wrapping cord wrapping cord around the circle, around the circular pipe, around the circular pipe, circular pipe is equal to, you see, you have to find the circumference here, that is 2 pi r, that comes to 2 pi r. And if you get the values, you see that is 2. The value of pi is 3.14. Here you see that is 3.14, 3.14, and the radius is given as 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Therefore, if we multiply if 4 to the 8, that is 3.14, 3.14 multiplied by 8, that is 4 is 32, 4 is 32, 8 is 8, 19, 11, carry 1, it is 1, 3 is 24 plus 1 is 25, 2512. So we get as 2512, and the point is after 2 digit, that is 25.12, 25.12 centimeter. This is the wrapping cord around the circular pipe, that is the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Now we'll find the perimeter of the cord around the square box, right? Now square box, so we know that wrapping cord around the square, around the square, around the square, that means here you see that around the square, that means perimeter, this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, or you can say 4 into L, that is 4 into length of the side, or you can say 4 into side, 4 into side, and side is also given, that is 4 centimeter, right? Therefore we are getting 4 into 4, 4 into 4 centimeter is equal to 16 centimeter, 16 centimeter, right? That means here you see that if you compare, this is 16 centimeter and this is 25.12 centimeter, then this is greater, right? Therefore remaining chord is equal to, therefore therefore remaining chord is equal to 25.12 minus 16 centimeter, right? If you subtract 16 from 25.12 and subtract the value of 16, that is 16.00, this is 2, this is 1, 6, this is 0.6, 9.12 centimeter. Thus this is not meter, but this is actually centimeter. This is centimeter. That is 9.12 centimeter, right? Did she have any chord left? Yes, right? She has left 9.12 centimeter chord. Thus she has left she she has left thus she has left 9.12 centimeter 9.12 centimeter chord. That means first of all, you to find the circumference of this circle, you to find the perimeter of this square, and if you compare, then the circumference of this circle is greater than the perimeter of the square. Therefore, you subtract it, the remaining chord is 25.12 minus 16, that is 9.12. Therefore, she has left 9.12 centimeter chord. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.